Unlock the power of seamless data collection by mastering form creation and validation in Webflow, ensuring every submission is accurate and user-friendly. Let's dive into building your first user-friendly form first. Open your Webflow project and navigate to the Designer in the Elements panel. Drag a form block onto your canvas. This is the container for all your form elements. Inside the form block, you'll find essential elements like input fields, labels, and a button. We'll start by adding an input field for collecting text. Select the input element and drag it into the form block. You'll want to associate it with a label by dragging a label element just above the input. Now, let's configure our first input. Select the input element in the Element Settings panel on the right. Under Field Settings, change the type to text, paragraph, or email, depending on the data you want to collect for this example. Let's use email crucially. Check the Required checkbox. This ensures users won't be able to submit the form without filling out this field. You can add more fields by repeating the process. Let's add a name field. Drag another input element into the form block in its settings. Set the type to text and check the Required box again. This guarantees we capture the visitor's name. Now, let's enhance validation with custom rules. Select the email input field again. Scroll down in the element settings to the validation section. You'll see options like min length and max length. For email, we can set a minimum length to ensure a basic email structure. Webflow also provides built-in validation for common types like email, where it automatically checks for the @ symbol and a domain. For a more complex scenario, like a phone number, you might want to use a different input type or a custom regular expression for validation. However, for standard fields like text and email, Webflow's built-in options are powerful. Finally, select your Submit button in its settings. Give it user-friendly text like Submit or Send Message. You've now successfully built a form with essential field validation in Webflow. This ensures you receive clean, accurate data, leading to a better experience for both you and your website visitors.